Hello friends, today I wanted to show you how to make a program to the garage door opener. It's very easy. First of all, you have to delete all the program. You have to click this, hold it, hold it, hold it. Just a second, should be blink. Okay, program is delete completely. Now I just want to reprogram it. Okay, right now it's empty, no program in there. Okay, just a second, it's take a little bit time. Okay, now you have to click this. Do you see it's blinking? Now I'm gonna hold. Okay, do you see? It's programmed. Let's see. Now, do you see? Easily program the door garage to the Corvette C8. Okay? If you like to do this button, just click. This is program for this. Okay, I programmed this one. You can also program this one as well. You have to click this one. Now it's blinking. Now I'm gonna hold it. Okay, hold. Okay, programmed. Do you see? Okay, two of them is completely programmed. I don't know, maybe you can put another car if you have 3 cars. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, just please like my video and subscribe. If you have any question, you can make a comment in the below section and I'm gonna answer your question. Thank you so much. Have a great day.